Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What is up, everyone? Hopefully you guys are feeling good. Hopefully you guys are ready and energized, ready for a full day of trading. Let's go ahead and say good morning to the crew here. Good morning to everybody over on Kick, Twitch, TikTok. Good morning to the YouTube community here. Raphael's in the house. Joshua's here. What's up, Patty? Eva Steen. Dre is here. What's up, Dre? We've got Abel. Mo, what's up, Mo? Paul says, good morning, traders. I got my shot for shingles today. Just to be safe, I also got one for vinyl siding too. Only contractors will know that one. What's up, Flemo? What's up, Vonnie? Good morning, guys. Good morning to you all. Let me just do something real quick here. All right, we're good now, I think. Awesome. Yeah, I think we are set, all set. Let's go ahead and look at some of these levels that we've got here, guys, on our chart. Let's go ahead with the Nasdaq first. 30-minute level shows like we hit that target that we had up here perfectly. We've been kind of resisting this area here that we've had since yesterday, the 816. Now, I don't just have a green line here, guys. There is literally a green line here from our indicator. So that's why I do have that for you guys on TikTok. You probably can't see it, or in a mobile. There's been a green line there from our indicator. And funny enough, the market has gone there not once, but twice and rejected both times. So there is something to this level right here at 28,819. We've also got a new level up here that the indicator is confirming, which is 29,740s. So we'll keep our eyes open for that. Now to the downside, we really don't have many levels. Market has been on steroids, so I really don't know what to say anymore. We do have a $28,000 level here that really hasn't done much. I mean, this kind of market just kind of blew through it like it's not even there. So we are seeing much higher prices. That is just insane, just to think. We're trading in almost at 29,000 region. Now, we did have a target to the downside here, and the market hit it perfectly this morning to the cent. Look at that. What other indicator gives you targets this accurate? Look at that. That is insane. Not only did we hit that 30-minute target to the upside perfectly, we also hit this 5-minute target to the downside here perfectly. And right now, we're just sitting here waiting, and we're going to kind of see what we have next. I do want to bring something to your attention, guys. I updated the indicator last night. It's not updated on your end yet. I'm going to forward test this today, beta. We have now the signal for trap longs and trap shorts. The TS is the trap shorts. The TL is the trap longs. So if you guys see TLs and TSs here on my Nasdaq chart today, you'll know why. It's because we have trap longs and trap shorts indicator built into the trading system now. What I like about it is that we'll be able to we made a couple of different updates to the settings. You can turn it on and off if you don't want them, and you can change the color depending on what your preferences are. And I also added this new label here, which allows you to change the color of all of the text. So where it says MOAS power short here, or it says PS or the TS or any of our indicators, if you use a white background, which I don't know why you would, but if you use a white background, then the text, you can change it to black or any other color. So now you have a new chance to do that. So guys, the market's opening up here in just about a minute. So we'll check out the ES here real quick, maybe try to see some levels here on the ES. We'll let the market open up. Okay, so it looks like the ES also hit that mark that we had here perfectly. All right, we take that out, take this out. The 5-minute was crushed. And right now, we don't have many. We have a target all the way up here. All the way up here. On the 30. All right, looks like the market is open. And we've got a 30-minute invalidation level down here. Market has been so strong, guys. It's crazy how strong this market has been. On the 5 minute, let's see what we've got on the ES right now. Nothing on the 5 minute. Oh yeah, never mind. I take that back. We do have slightly missed this mark up here on the 5 minute. Slightly missed it. We have invalidation level here. Invalidation level up here. A little bit of a mixed bag here on the ES. ES is a little bit going to be a little choppy up here. Missed by a hair. Okay, all right. We're set here. I think we should be all right. Starting to get that push to the downside here on the ES. Right at the VWAP. NQ looking real choppy this morning, the NQ. Looking super chop. And the NQ's chopped. That's what the kids say. The kids say the NQ is chopped. All right, looks like we're gonna get a little bit of a pop here. Okay, I think we're set here on our copy trader. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get a little bit of a pop to the upside here, guys. Patty, right now I'm looking at a 15 point. If we do take a trade, looking at a 15 point bracket, Patty. If you're watching, Joelle will be with you in just a minute. She's getting ready. 15 points with 3 contracts. That's probably what I would do. We're just gonna be patient right now though. Got a pretty tight range. Right here, this is a little bit of a tight range. I'm getting my stuff ready. Right now the pop here on the NQ looked pretty good. ES is looking weaker though. What's up, Sam B? What's up, Paul? What's going on, Abel? Yes, it's holding. Yeah. Safe. Good morning. All right, market's moving. We got a triple Indy to the downside right now on the ES. Markets look strong though. Markets look real strong. 30 minute, 5 minute, all look really strong right now. I think we're going to continue moving higher. I like this area for defense here, 727. And we did pop from there, so I think we're gonna see higher. Make sure your copy trader's connected, okay? If I tell you, are you ready?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Oil's at 90, wow. Bitcoin is at 80,700. Say what?
I don't know where it went.
Can you search it again? Search it in your files. You see the little magnifying glass?
Yeah.
Yeah, look for it there. Looks like we're probably going to get a continuation to the upside, guys. Markets are still looking pretty strong. The MOS indicator is working really well on the ES. Yeah, it's been pretty good. Todo está bien. That's good. That's good. What's up, James? Yeah, ES is going down. NQ is going higher. Not exactly sure who is lying here, but somebody is. I think we got a little bit more to the upside to go.
Okay, I don't get it.
Hold on, guys.
I opened it from here, and then this popped up. So I clicked it.
Can you just cancel and close it? Just close
I
out.
can't because if I close this and ask and every time I close everything.
Okay.
I already tried updating it, but it hasn't popped back up. So I don't know if I have to wait.
So you searched it and it's not here?
It's all this. There's no like an app.
Okay, so
So if I
then,
go to apps, it's not here for the T.
okay, so then go to you gotta reinstall it.
Again?
Did you erase it? Maybe it's in your folder. Maybe it's in your.
No, I had it here, but then
No, I know, but maybe it went to your trash. Can you open your trash? Drakopia, back up. Back up, back up. Until. Click on no, go to that one. Drakopia. Go to that first one. Okay, open it. Document Drakopia.
So go back.
No, yeah, yeah, put all these back.
It said I downloaded so many of them. That's why.
Oh, okay. Okay, then. Those are from today, I think. Put back.
They're all from August 9th to 17th.
Okay. Let me see.
That's trash. Just go to downloads because that's trash.
You can put this back in or.
It's still there. No, what I'm saying is if you This is script.
No, that's not. That's scripted. Okay, go to Tradecopia here, log in to the website, and just download a new version of it. Yeah.
Software. So I have to do it manually instead of it doing itself.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I didn't.
Is it because my computer's old?
No, I don't think so.
Because that's like, I think the third time now that I'm doing that.
Well, I always have to update mine too because they always do updates.
No, like that though, it doesn't like update like a phone. Oh, okay.
Not like that.
Yeah, because that's why it's in the trash because I've downloaded it so many times. That's the trash though. Oh, it's not interesting. Yeah, it is supposed to update.
Okay, make sure your connections are. You connect both, and then we'll clean up your computer afterwards.
What does that mean?
We'll clean up all the old files you don't need. All right, guys, sorry about that. We are ready to go here. And we should have some support in this area. Although the ES looks pretty heavy, we should have some support, relatively strong support. Right in here, I would say there should be some support. Could be as low as 704. Are you good? We do have a target down here at 660. What's going on, Amita? Morning Nostalgia Cinema. A double tap would be good. 700, 690 would be nice. Not sure if we're going to get any of that. Market still looks pretty strong here. Market does look like it's heating up a bit. Yeah, watch this move. I'm gonna go at a 20-point bracket now because the ATR is increasing. So Patty, if you're watching, we do a 20-point bracket right now, still with 3 contracts. Watching this level here for support. Nothing so far. Watching this 700 level, possibly 690. We'd be hitting the target here on the ES if we do get it. Hmm? What is? Can you put on a 20-point bracket and 3 contracts? I think they may want to try 690 first. Get ready for a possible long pop, okay? I'll tell you when. Five seconds, we're going to try it long, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Order filled.
So I'm long up to 751 right now. Stop loss is at these lows. All right, we got it.
Order filled.
We got it, Ben. And I think we just passed our Project X.
No, I haven't.
You never got in it?
No, it's still going on.
What? You never got TP'd?
No.
All right, well, you probably will now.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought he's in this one.
All right, we passed our Project X account. You didn't get filled on the TP? Wow. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you didn't get filled. No, you're still good. You're still good. It shouldn't. You should probably still hit.
Okay. I mean, whatever happens,
All right, you're at break even.
no.
All right, it's pushing pretty hard.
Yeah.
You'll get the 750 hit. Where's your TP at? 751.
752.
All right. It literally missed you by a whisker.
Yeah.
That usually only happens to me. You got it?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, call it a day. That's good. Right now, right now, yeah. Maybe we'll see something in a little bit, but the market's kind of choppy right now. And the fact that the NQ and the ES are not doing the same thing. Look at the chop. Look at this chop. Holy smokes! I'm surprised we made any money today. I just realized how bad that market was. Holy smokes! Like look at this. I want you to learn something, babe. Look at my screen. I'm gonna go to the 5 minute. I'm gonna go to 5 minute. Look at this. This indecision right here. All this indecision. That's a chop fest. That is a chop fest. So until we break out of this zone, I don't think there's really.
Because it was like what happened maybe 3 weeks ago.
Yeah. You talking to me?
Yeah, it was a chop fest.
It's a chop fest right now. If we break out of the zone, then we'll have another opportunity maybe. But guys, the trapped shorts indicator that we got right there, look how good that played out. That's the thing of beauty, guys. That's the thing of beauty. I updated the indicator last night, and that was nice. Finally getting bullish on these markets. I think today we'll drop it. Pro scalp, my dude. Thank you. Was $300 from passing combine, but I took a trade 3 hours ago and self-destructed and chopped. Yeah, it was so choppy, J Ray. Another day, another combine. I'm feeling sick. Same day, same issues. Yeah, guys. I'm sorry to hear that, J Ray. But wait till you get signals that you see trap sellers or trap buyers or trap longs or trap shorts, because look how good this played out. This is just a thing of beauty. If you guys want to catch the absolute pivots on these moves, wait till you find these trap shorts or the trap longs. You guys can test this out. $7 for 7 days over on our indicator website. And if you want to keep using it after that, it's only less than $2 a day. Anybody who's already a member of our indicator, I will be uploading the indicator this evening with the new updates. But man, I'm telling you, these trap short indicator, trap long indicator, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. All the way up to 820 here on this push. What a beauty. Thanks, Ambi. I'm not always scalping. Like yesterday, I started it as a scalp, and I moved it into a 100-point move. Joni, it'll be updated today. I'm forward testing and beta testing it today, but it looks really nice. It looks good. It looks really good. Yes, Ambi. So I did scalp. I like to scalp the open, but I am open to holding a trade longer once it finds its direction. So yeah. All right, passed my top step combine on that trade too. That was good. Let me lock out this account. How do you lock it out? I thought there was a lockout option. Manual lockout. Here we go. All day. Just lock me out. All right, it's locked out now. Cool. Awesome. TS is a red candle, then divergence candle, then green candle. Trap short means that we had sellers absorbing buyers, but then buyers took charge. That's a trap short. A trap long would be the opposite. It would be like here. Buyers absorbing sellers, but then sellers taking over. And as you can see, that gave us a little bit of a move down. All right, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, guys. Good job on the trade to you and Patty. How much does Patty need still?
She's at 25,881.
Nice. She just needs like a few more good trades. You can't hear me, Yoon? Anybody in TikTok? And babe, can you check the TikTok and see if you can hear me? Because someone just said they can't hear me. I think it's the only person who said that. That's the only person who said that. They can't hear me. You number one, can you hear me? Maybe I should turn this up a notch. Testing, testing. You can't hear me on TikTok?
No.
Are you serious? What happened? Oh yeah, wow. It looks like they disconnected me.
Actually, 3 people said they couldn't hear you.
Oh wow, that
Two
sucks.
but 3 comments.
That sucks. Why does it do that? I'm gonna have to do this every day. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, 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 testing. Wow. Testing. Testing, testing, testing. Oh wow, this is bad. Testing, 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 testing. Testing, testing. I know you guys can hear me, but the people on TikTok says they can't hear me. Yeah, I'm trading here with my wife. My wife's in the background. Testing. Why can't I change the audio? All right, I think we're good now. Testing, testing, testing. All right, testing, testing, testing. All right, now we're good. We're good, we're good. All right, so I think we're good now. Babe, can you check the audio on it now? I think it should be fine. All right, we should be good. All right. Thank you, Mahoney. Mahoney. I feel funny calling her Mahoney. Her name is not Mahoney. All right, we do got a little bit of a trap long signal here, but we have a target to the upside at 820. So it looks like the market may still want to go. So I'm going to abstain myself from trying to take any shorts here, even though we do have a signal here. I would say this green line here probably has potential of getting hit, the 820 level. Since we did miss that 820 level this morning, we didn't really get it exactly there. We do have the overnight high there as well. Yep, so we might pop up here, grab this, and then do something. We'll see what happens after that. But we have a target right now on the ES, back up to the VWAP, maybe at 73.93. On the ES, we did hit this 5-minute level, so I'll take this off the chart now. We don't need that anymore. We hit that. And we'll take this invalidation zone off. So now basically we're just full steam ahead to the upside now. On the 5-minute, it looks like we are going to get a trapped short indication here in the next minute on the ES. That should propel us higher. So I would only be looking for longs right now on the ES if that closes that way. Same thing for the NQ. If we get some kind of a dramatic pullback, and then I would be looking for a nice long there. What are my high goals for today? To be honest with you, I don't have any. The only high goal I have right now is 820, and then after that, we're in the 29,000s. 29,700. It's way up there. So I don't know if that's going to happen today, but as the day progresses, we'll get some signals to the upside, and then we'll then we'll see when we get there. Okay, we're good. No, J-Ray, my mic wasn't working on TikTok. I fixed it though. Can we get another off-screen wave? That was funny. Off-screen wave. What is an off-screen wave? After 820, I have a 885, Raphael. You do? On what time frame? Oh, you, babe. You want to wave at the...
No, I already did. That's what I said.
Oh, okay. Yeah, looks like we got that push up. We're getting that push up here to the 820. That'll be taking out the overnight high. Very nice, very nice. Congratulations, anyone who caught the bottom here. That was a nice trade. Even if you caught it as a scalp, or if you're still holding up to our green line here at 820, that would have been a beauty. It would have been a 100-pointer right there, right then and there. You guys excited about the trap short? I know I am. I'm excited about the trap short indicator, trap long indicator. In this market, we've only seen trap shorts though. This TS and the TL is going to be a game changer for us. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about the mic hiccup. I won't promise that won't happen again next time on TikTok. Massively strong right now. Everything's massively strong. Dr. GJ is excited. Babe, they want another wave. After 820, we have 885. Okay, we hit 820. All right, so took out this level. We'll get it off. Invalidation zone now. No need to be there. Actually, we'll just leave it for now. Good push here, guys. Nice push. We're getting a MOAS power long on a 15-second right now, and that wants to propel us up to about 890 on the 15-second. So close to that 885 level. Can't wait to get it on the chart. It says Dre. Yeah, I will. You'll have it today. This afternoon, I will update it, and you guys will have access to it. I just wanted to forward test it in the wild here. How do you define trap shorts or longs? Well, I define it because what we see here, for instance, down here, we had limit shorts overpowering the market order buyers. So we have an absorption here, even though we have a higher delta candle, we have a lower price candle. That's absorption by limit order sellers. And then on the very next candle, the buyers took total control not only of the delta, but also of the candles. So that tells me that in here, these guys got trapped. Now, sometimes it doesn't happen on the first go around. Sometimes what they do is they'll do this. They'll create the first wave of trapped shorts, and then they'll come back and get a second wave of trapped shorts. That's why I was a little hesitant here to go long, but the delta was looking so strong. I just did it anyway. So yeah, sometimes they'll do it 2 times. Sometimes, yeah, like yesterday, they did it 3 times, and then they ran. They went crazy. So sometimes if it doesn't hit your exact level, be patient. Be patient. Look at the delta. If the delta gets really strong, then maybe it's go time. But if the delta is kind of weak still, but you're getting a trap short signal, there might be an additional trap short or an additional trap short path that they're heading to. But you got to know what the overall market you're in. Right now, obviously, we are in a massive bull market, so markets do tend to pay you if you stay on the right side of the market. So try not to fight the market. I've done that for a long time. I've tried to do that for a long time, fight the market, thinking I knew how to grab the tops and bottoms, but it's not that easy. Let's take a look at the rest of the markets right now, guys. Mag 7 exploding right now at 69 right now, 69.30. Holy smokes. We got a little bit more to go here, 69.70s possibly today on the Mag 7. That's crazy. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA has hit what it looks to be like a close to a new all-time high. I think we're getting there soon on NVIDIA. I think the all-time highs are on 220 on NVIDIA. Looks like the next target on NVIDIA is probably about 214. No signs of weakness there. Bitcoin, on the other hand, does have some weakness, and we did come down to hit this target exactly here to 80,300. Took my profits up here, so I think we're okay. Would like to see another long at some point, but we'll wait on that. Nothing but trapped buyers up here and trapped buyers up here so far, so we haven't seen a reversion back yet. Volatility is at 19, even though our prices are all-time highs. Oil right now is plummeting. We're back at 90, just in the nick of time, because gas hit like $4.60 here in my area, so that's not good. We've got gold looking to head back to 4,800 probably, and right now gold is looking pretty good. Trap shorts here, and then it looks like we might rally up to 47.71 next. on gold. All right, we got the MOAS power long right now on the 1 minute too. That means that we have a target now set at 965 on the day. 965 on the day here on the 1 minute. So we'll be looking for more longs here at some point. But right now she's probably going to chop around a bit, maybe come back and do some God knows what. Yeah, I'd look at this level right here for a possible something. Buyers started to get pretty strong in here, so maybe a revisiting of the 780. What's going on, Keith? He's just logging in. What's up, Con? My indicator for the 60-minute chart has Nasdaq's bull trend as rank 1. Rank against 44 other equity commodities or in forex. Really, that's crazy. Yeah, it's been on a total rip. No news. I don't know. Is there news today? I gotta check the market. See if there's any news. Took a long 3 minis. Forgot I had set my daily profit at 900. It closed me out. It was so quick. Ah, damn, you mini badger. Good job. Let's take a quick look at financial juice. I don't think we have any news today. Nothing really. U.S. initial job claims actual 200K. Forecast was 205. That was at 8:30 this morning. Today's Thursday? Yeah. Another day, another doll hair here. The NQ and the ES especially looks like a dragon. What do you guys make of this? Looks like a fire-breathing dragon. Look. I'll show you guys on TikTok here in just a second. Look at that. Tell me that's not a dragon pattern. You guys know how to play the dragon pattern, right? This is technical analysis 101, guys. If you don't know about the dragon pattern, then you guys got to go back to the drawing board. Look at that. Perfect dragon pattern. Means you're about to get burned. ES is also showing it a little bit. Is that bullish? I have no idea. We need a Bart Simpson. What's up, Pecos? Been working in Utah. Just popped in to say hi. Yeah, I was wondering where you were last few days, man. Good to see you in here, though. Fed's hammock sees interest rates on hold for quite some time. Yeah, it's kind of stagnant, huh? Someone has that Utah money. What's up? Yeah, that was Samby. About to dump, says Vortex. Are we about to dump? I hope not. If I say hi to everybody on TikTok, does that make them feel special? Should I say hi to everybody? That makes them, yeah, like there's like a little hand that says say hi. If I say hi to everyone, does that help? Does that tickle the algorithm? Yesterday we had like 80 people watching on TikTok. That's like a record. Usually we have like 5 or 7. That was you.
What?
I was talking to you.
Oh. No, you should say hi to everybody.
I should, right?
Yeah.
I mean, there's like a little button that says say hi. So I don't know what that's about.
Oh, I don't know about that.
So I've just been saying hi to everybody here. Hello, everyone. All right.
Yeah. You should click on it, see what it does.
I did.
What does it do?
I did. Let's see what happens. Might get a little bit of a pullback here. Market looks like it's getting a little frantic. She's a little frantic here, guys. Or maybe not. Maybe there's no pullback in the cards. How much more? How much is your P&L right now for the account? What's going on, Nostalgia? 865 you're looking for, Samby? It's looking kind of wild in here, guys. A little wild. We got John the Scalper spamming us in the chat over on TikTok. What's going on, John the Spammer? He comes a possible trapped on longs here. This candle closes red. They could initiate a trap here for the buyers. Same thing on the ES. Looking kind of trappy at the moment. We're at the head of the fire-breathing dragon here, so be careful. Do-do-do-do-do. Hmm?
No,
So it looks like we are going to get 5 live accounts with Take Profit Trader. They did confirm that yesterday. So I already paid the fee for activating those. So we should be cooking with 5 accounts tomorrow. I might trade those 3 separately today if they get activated in time, but maybe not. Maybe we'll just wait till tomorrow. Oh, I didn't even have this showing. My fault. You guys never tell me these things. Let's see, we did 93 on that. How is this so different? I don't get it. What's the slippage on that, huh? There must have been some slippage on that, because it's strange. All right, we're pumping. We're pumping. She is going. Look at her go. Price action pre-market look clean. Really? This today? It looked like a chop mess. It looked like a chop session. I had to because I got my accounts for free, Raphael. Vortex says, strange patterns today. Not sure what it wants. Weird market right now. Absolutely no pullback. Yeah, the indoor prints. Got the win on that long. Nice, Sambi. We're in price discovery. Yes, sir. We're in a new all-time high right now, I think, right? This is a new all-time high. Oof, look at this. Oh, my God. What more news could we have right now to make this market go up this fast the way it's going? We should have just stayed long from our trade this morning. We've been up like $700 per account. That's crazy. Who would know these things? Who would know? That's just insanity right now. Maybe we will get to 29,000 today. $29,000 and change. Nonsensical? James says he loves this market. He's been holding on to his long since, what, the beginning of April? Yeah, this is wild. We just hit 900 there. Unbelievable. Unreal. SQQQ right now is just melting. Passed your TPT at 885, Raphael. Nice, James. James is up a whole bunch of money. Raphael passed his TPT at 885. Raphael, you're using the Smooth Trader Concepts, right? Did the Smooth Trader Concepts help you take your profits at 885? With 400K March load. Wow, dude. I think you're using the Smooth Trader Concepts. Starting to get a trap long indication here. Let's see if it ends up giving us a little bit of pullback. Thank you, Raphael. Appreciate, man, you taking a chance on the indicator. I'm glad it's working out for you. Big volume at 865. It's bullish, says MG. Watch a possible pullback here, guys. We are seeing the trap long indication coming up here after that massive candle. A lot of times when you do this, it doesn't go straight down. It doesn't have to go straight down. A lot of times when you do this, you will see something that looks like this. Just to scare the life out of you. You know, so watch for something like that. I'm not saying it's going to come down. We're in a massive green wave. But if it does want to go down, it might just give us a little scare here. Just to check your blood pressure. And then right back down. So be careful. Massive green wave right now, so maybe there is no pullback whatsoever. I wouldn't be shorting this market. I don't care. But I'm just saying, if it does go down, it could give you an opportunity for a long entry. ES is looking a little strong right now. ES looks like it's about to pop. Might take a paper trade on this just to test out the theory. Let's see if it comes. ES is super strong right now here. We have a very bullish indication on the ES. SQQQ looks like it may want to make a pop too. Losses push right back down possibly to 780, 790, that 15-minute orb area. No, the shorts do not look good on the ES. They look good on the NQ. Yeah. I'm not sure, Sam B. I'm not sure if it'll play out. The market is really, like Khan said, it's just nonsensical. Technically, it should have a pullback here from a order flow perspective. It should have a pullback here to squeeze these longs a little bit, but it may not happen. Right now, the buyers are doing all the absorbing. All these yellow candles here means buyers are absorbing. But the more they absorb, the better of a chance that they also get trapped. So keep that in mind. If we break 900, you have 950 next. You're putting a buy limit at 840-ish area where the last power long started? Okay. Smart. Right now, the bullish delta is prevailing here. If it closes green, it's probably going to continue going here and make another attempt at 900. This is not the day for pullbacks. Today is no pullback day. Trade Genius says, good morning. News and manipulated market. No technical signals working today until 29,000 and probably 30K next week. Yeah. James thinks we're going to hit 30K soon. He's got his money where his mouth is. Got a big old wad of cash on it. Oh, wow. I just realized the ES is still stuck at the VWAP. Meanwhile, the NQ is here hitting all new all-time highs. Look at the 5-minute on the NQ. Yeah, it looks real. It looks real strong. Looks super, super duper strong. this market is trying to squeeze out. I don't know if there's any people left, to be honest with you. Trying to squeeze out so many people who shorted or opened up puts on the market when we were at the 23K level, maybe even all the way up. Probably even people who were opening up puts when the gap was filled. So this market is probably on a rampage to get all of those people, every single one of those people. Yeah, she's getting pumpy all over again. Sam B needs a 65 level. I think he's going to get it. Buyers are starting to lose their edge here. This should, the next 5 seconds, we might see a move back down. No, not yet. Not yet. No, not yet. If this candle here closes green, we're going to probably see another move to the upside. $40 seconds to go on it. Why would they make a short easy? No way. So if this candle here closes as a bullish doji, it's kind of like a spring, like a coil. It's getting pushed down and it's going to release like that. So right now we're probably going to end up getting a pop here back up to 902. So yeah, it looks like it's going to go. So we'll probably get stopped at 902. Even though the longs look better, I wouldn't long unless we get a decent pullback. And these are just, they're just very difficult trades. The opportunity we got at the open might have been the last one. Wow. We gotta start to chop now. You better chop around. There it goes. Bang. Want to have fun, just short all-time highs. Sambi says, be patient, new traders. We are moving micro liquidity pool to micro liquidity pool at the moment. Yeah. And it does not look like fun. ATRs are dropping pretty fast here. Babe, want to see something funny? Watch me on TikTok. You're watching me on TikTok? You see me?
That's how your eyes should be.
I could be Mr. Bean too. I'm gonna be Mr. Bean. Rowan Atkinson. You don't know? Mr. Bean. I could be a dinosaur. I spoke about dinosaurs earlier. I gotta do something. Oh, I got a sock puppet. Look, my dinosaur. I love it. It's so cool. Or I could just be like, I could do fairy tale, like pixie dust. Look at that. That's pretty cool. The atmosphere. Atmosphere, filters. Yeah. The what's that called? The salt bay. I could look like I'm at the beach. I can do a lot of things. And then we do backgrounds too. I could get smoother. It's asking me if I want to be extra smooth. Now I have no wrinkles at all. I look fake. It's so cool. I could actually change the shape of my head. Want to see?
You don't have any wrinkles.
I don't know what changed there. Oh yeah, I made my jaw smaller.
What?
It made my jaw smaller. I could get whiter teeth. Let's see. I could get teeth like Ross. My teeth are so white now. It looks like it just came back from alright, never mind. I'm done playing. I still got the Ross teeth though. Alright, looks like we're gonna hit 900 here. No pullbacks at all. At all. She said, nope, not today. Not today, sir. Good thing we didn't take that trade. Okay, we're only looking for longs. Only longevity. So again, only trap shorts and a green wave. Only trap shorts and a green wave. That's all you want. That's all you want. No trap longs. Ignore the trap longs like I did. You just want the trap shorts. BTC's tanking. Who's smooth? Accumulating here? Yeah. Longs only has been so annoying lately. Like I'm profitable yet. Why doesn't it make me so annoyed? It's frustrating when the market doesn't have versatility. But I mean, it's predictable until it's not. That's the thing. You know, like the market can be very predictable until it's not. This whole area right here was really nice for this whole area here on the ES was showing trap shorts, so that was a good inclination that the market wanted higher. I just wanted a pullback, but I guess today it's just no pullbacks, just like yesterday. It's just continuation. Just continuation. That's all you can do. trailed this pop with 1 micro. It credited S&D with that 1 red candle on the 5-minute. It created an S&D. What's an S&D? Abyss sell off this coming, and it's going to burn a lot of PF accounts. That's my fear. Like 2 to 3% red day. Yeah, we've got it coming. We've got it coming, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen. Another trap long signal here, but fool me once, shame on me, or shame on you. Fool me twice. You see, you can't fool me twice. You can't do it like George Bush said. You can't get fooled again. A big sell-off is coming, and it's gonna burn a lot of accounts. Is my fear, says Khan. I'm not expecting a bear. Just a big red day to burn accounts. Yeah, it could happen. George Dubs. Yeah, that was him. The one and only. George W. The W is in the house. We're getting that trap long signal again here. This one might be the real deal, but I'll wait for longs instead. Even though this one looks juicier than the last one. That one right there looks juicier. Extra juice. The reason I say that is because they loaded it up 3 times. They started here, trapping longs here, loaded up again there, and possibly loaded it up again here. I don't know. The more times they load it up, from what I've noticed, the more likely it is to happen. I have no doubt that what we have to see is a 10% red day before Trump props up the market before elections again. Imagine that. The day's getting closer, says Khan. Also, so Baron can enter better. Oh, man, you guys are funny. This dragon's turning into a serpent. It's going to happen in the next 7 sessions. I'm pretty certain of it. So within the next week and a half, Khan says, we'll have a massive red day. Scaring the pants off everyone. Again. Forming more trap shorts now. This market, it will not give up. She is on a moon mission. Looking for 960 here. We might hit 29K today. It's been hard for me to find an entry into this. You message me on Discord whenever you get the chance. All right, I'll check it out. Nostalgia. I'm that guy on the moon, says James. Yeah. Watching my deep charts profiles on the 15-minute. NQ still looks very bid. Tons of volume and absorption on pullbacks, but still no clean signal prints or excessive highs yet to call a real top auction unfinished. It keeps going up forever, says Mo. Yeah. Done for the day, Sammy. 9 out of 11 trades. That's wonderful, man. That is wonderful. If you're ever looking for a place to put your stop loss, under the trap shorts areas are always a good idea. Or if you ever get the opportunity to short on top of the trap longs. But no, this market will not go down. Yeah. This market does not know what down is. No signs of a short, guys. Just mucho up. That's it. Once we do get that sell-off, though, maybe we'll get a pop. All right, looks like the shorts are coming through just a bit. That was a tough short to hold if you guys were in one. Holy smokes. Tell me that wasn't tough. They made that short impossible. They swept it. They swept it a lot. They swept it here. Swept it here. 3 sweeps. Or 3 attempts at the high. So this is a level here that they have some trap shorts. I don't know if they're going to want to let these guys off the hook. Or something like that in here. $30,000 by tomorrow's close. Load the boat, says CalStar. I'm long NQ and GC, says Carlos. Good, man. How is GC doing? We had a target at 47.71. Still hasn't hit it. We're getting closer, though. We got news. This spike will bring in a reversal once they are done squeezing the shorts. Wait for it. Yeah, these shorts can get kind of interesting in here. Could get a dumperoni down to 840. Starting to round up a bit here. Longs trapped? Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it. I mean, I don't know for how long. Maybe just for a little bit. But today the only thing that has worked has been longs. So be careful with taking any shorts, guys. Even if the signals are here and the order flow shows that some buyers are possibly trapped, the buyers have all the strength in the market right now, so I wouldn't bet against them. I'm more looking for areas to bounce from than shorts to take. Even though they're here, you know, they might work. It just does not look very promising. This right here looks like another move to the upside. And they're getting wild in here. If we cross 900 again, we keep going, says MG. Well, we just did. Netflix and Walmart going. I noticed that. They are going, huh? They are going. That little dip, you took it with 20 minis for 10,000, Jerome Kim? Is that real money or is that a paper account? Everything's looking for higher. NVIDIA joined the party. What's up, Team Massive? You have 2 million in cap? Damn, Jerome. You playing with some big size, baby. Are you done?
No, I'm just trying to look for something. I have a headache.
I had one yesterday. I had a horrible one yesterday. Guys, watch this move up to 960. Unfortunately, I didn't take it on that pop. I wanted to see a little bit more of a pullback on it. I saw it here, but I didn't take it. The trap shorts here. That was real nice. It would have given me enough for my my trade. It would have given me enough. That's all you gotta do is just long every trap short indication. If you would have just longed every trap short indication, you got one here, you would have already been done for the day. Look at this. Trap shorts here. Crazy ripper all the way up to the upside. Trap short here, another ripper. Trap shorts here, another ripper. It's just crazy. Crazy how they're just trapping and they're trap maxing. That's what they're doing, they're trap maxing. Igor says that INTC is trying to come off lows to new highs for the day. What is INTC? Is that Intel? But I have like 130K cash, more money in the market account. I might just drop on us hard if we hit 50K mark. If we hit the 50 mark? Oh, the 950 mark, yeah. Man, going to 950. It's holding 900. It sure is, Raphael. if we're gonna hit 950, we'll probably end up hitting our green line here, the 963 level. 74.10 here on the ES, and then we have a bigger target at 74.11. This is not a line I drew, guys. This is from the indicator. The indicator is telling us that the market wants to come up to this level, and it's been spot on. If you guys want to test out the indicator for yourselves, get the free version if you want over on TradingView. Just look up Smooth Trader Volume Toolkit. Once you come here, please hit the like and leave a comment down below. Nobody has hit the like in like 3 days. Then come down here and leave a comment. That really helps us out. And you can have this free indicator. If you guys want to check out the pro version of the indicator, head on over to our website. The link's pinned in the chat or in our bio, depending on where you're watching. It's pinned in the chat and down below on YouTube and in the bio on TikTok. And check it out, guys. $7 for 7 days. You can check out the indicator, and it'll give you these amazing calls that you see. Obviously, you want to trade with the trend, not against it. I think we just hit 945 on that move. You have a short waiting at 29K. Nice, T Massive. Mags moved the market. Yeah, Mags have been on fiber. We still got more room on the Mags. Nvidia is starting to curl. Another trap long indication here. I wish trading was easy to do. Today was a bit easy knowing the direction, but man, other days are rough to get one smooth move, one direction. Yes, MB, it is. Consumer inflation expectations are going to be 3.4, April, probably 3.4. That's what New York Fed said. Market is clamoring for 96K, guy. I mean 29K. When I said 96, the 960 level, yeah. But it looks like it really wants 29,000. Every little micro pullback is just an opportunity to go long. Unreal. At least we got something today. In case you guys haven't heard, Tradeify will be doing. Tradeify is doing another trading cup. If you guys are interested in it, I do have a link for Tradeify in our down below in the description of this video or in our bio. You can check it out under the profit matrix. I don't know if I'm logged in. Yeah, the profit matrix. Tradeify has some really great accounts, but you can get an account for free. You can get an account for free with Tradeify if you guys want to trade in the Tradeify World Cup. There is going to be $1 million given away in the prize pool. The grand prize winner is going to be $200,000. So you guys know for sure I'm going to win that. You know what I mean? So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to use the Tradeify link down below and join the World Cup. It starts about a week, and it's going to last for a week. Whoever has the highest balance after a week, top 1,000 people will move on to the next round. So if you guys think you're up for it, make sure to use the link down below for Tradeify and get yourselves a free account. Can't beat free, guys. You can't do it. Can't beat it. All right, we're getting those pullbacks. Those much awaited pullbacks. Now we might come see this white line that we're waiting for here. If not that one, maybe this one. The VWAP is there too. You're long from 681 micro from yesterday evening, 605. You have a $29,000 target, Abel. Wow, how much are you up? How much are you up? Algo bots? Really? I didn't know that. I don't think they allow algo bots, but maybe you're right. Up 530 on that one MEQ right now. Well, that's crazy. That's great, Abel. On the 15-second, we are getting signs of a little bit of trap shorts, but it's just a very small time frame, so I wouldn't trust it. I need to see it here on the 1 minute. New hourly candle opened at 11 o'clock, yeah. Oh, there you go, Samby. The TradeStation competition? Is it TradeStation has a competition too? I thought it was Ninja Trader has one going on. TradingView competition. Oh, okay. Yeah, TradingView has one going on right now, I think for futures, or is it crypto? Yeah, that's Levolution. That's James. He's in the chat right now. Levolution says there was someone in the chat weeks ago that absolutely top was around 28.8, and you said he predicted a lot of things in the past. Who was that? And is he short in the longer time frame? No, he's holding that trade to 30,000 now. Levolution. Option sweep is a large trade split into smaller orders, executed rapidly across multiple exchanges, institutional investors to capitalize on perceived price movements. Oh wow, what is that? Crypto? All right, Samby. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get this push to the downside here. We hit 74.10 on the button here on the ES. Very nice right there. Perfect hit. On the 15-second, we did hit the NQ right here perfectly too. The 1 minute is still a little bit far off.
The paperwork that's on your desk, can you pass me all of that, please?
Not the dog, right?
All of them.
Everything?
Everything.
I got some checks here. I don't know for what though. He's not putting his money where his mouth is. I think he's got $400,000 on the line, up to 30,000. All right, we got that massive pullback here. Look at that. Yeah, that was coming. We knew that was going to come. Just a little bit too early here and here, but it did happen here.
Pause real quick.
There might be something coming, but I'll let you know.
Okay.
Nice sharp pullback here.
Get ready to make this something.
We'll see how she reacts in this area. If not here, then maybe down here.
Oh, this is not me. You got it.
Talking to me? Okay, guys. Keep your eyes open here, guys. They could be forming something. Yeah, I think they might be pulling back a little bit more. We might try the long here, okay? All right, go.
Order filled.
I got a scalp up here for 20 points. TP is at 896. Stop down here.
These cards are cute.
What?
The Chase personal debit card is cute.
Okay.
I don't hate the color blue, but it's a cute blue. Yeah, I think I'm not balling it.
Close your trade.
Order filled.
You got close enough. I don't trust this market right now. Closed it?
Yeah.
All right. Call it a day.
Call it.
Yeah.
Alright then. I'm gonna call it. That's fine. Alright then. I'll see you later. Love you.
I don't understand what is going on. Okay.
You want yours?
Hmm?
I'll give it to you.
My what? We got our cards. 90%, 29K will get hit today. It's way too close and they heavy liquidity here. I'm bulling again. This is crazy. They can sell limit at 90, 85. I'm staying out for now. This is too easy for smooth. That was a good close. He's long and pullbacks. Get that money. Yeah, I mean that's all we could do here. I mean, when we see a little, the trend today has been that every time we've gotten a trapped short indication, we've gotten about anywhere between 20 to 50 points. So I did see a little bit of resistance there on the 15 second. So I decided to get out of it, taking my profits. But we could head back down to this white line. I would be open to taking another long from 787 if it did come down back here. Trading is like being a tactician. Yeah. Bulling is drying up. Watch for a short. Yeah. Selling has zero velocity. Yeah, Con, I know. I see it. The only thing is that if we do hold this white level, guys, we're going to head all the way back up to 960. 963. If we hold this white level. If we can't hold this white level, we're going to come and revisit this white level. And then here, I'd be open to taking another long. Both my evals need about $200 to pass. That's pretty good. $200 to pass. I might just make a group with them and keep trading them. Seems like they're trying to hold this level. Looks pretty good to me. It looks like they're gonna pop. I'm gonna try it here on my evals. Are they working? Yeah, they're working. Okay, good. Buyers just seem to be getting a little hammered here. Just a little bit. We got that trap short signal here again. If we don't blast off here, then I don't want anything to do with it. Come on, baby, blast off. Blast off. Go. Go into the blastmosphere. Go into the blastmosphere. Go, 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 go. Go. Don't come back. Don't come back. Push it here, NQ. Push it. Push it higher, girl. Push it higher. Looks like she wants another pullback first. Unfortunately, yeah. Still wants another pullback. Right, no love lost on that, though. Tough. Protect those positions at all times, guys. Protect them at all times. Now this level looks like it's gonna hold, but you just never know where. You got everything sorted out, Nico? That's good, man. Thank you, Mo. Here comes the pump to the upside. I hope so, man, but she's taking her time right now. Sweet time. Try it again. Still weak, still weak. Going Q, going Q, going Q, go, go, go. I see buyers still getting strong here. My TP is here. Yeah, and buyers getting absorbed hard. Here comes the sell-off. Unfortunately, it looks like we're gonna get the sell-off. All right, we getting that sell-off. Might get the pop afterwards, but this looks like a continuation to the downside now with this move we just got. Yep. Buyers need to pull off a miracle here. And it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Does not look good for the buyers anymore. We're gonna get the sweep of this level. And then after that, maybe we get a chance afterwards, but we're out. Okay. All right, we'll try it again somewhere else. That was not the result I was looking for. But yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait. Patience. Shorts are coming in pretty strongly right here. We do on the 5 minute. It looks extremely weak on the 5 minute. Be patient. Yeah, should have left good enough alone there. Yeah, looks like they just wanted my liquidity. That's all they wanted. Yep. They just wanted my liquidity. Unfortunately. Yeah, this area is going to turn into a battle zone here. Sellers are winning on the 5 minute, believe it or not. Yeah, we're going to wait for some more pullback, maybe into this VWAP area. Uh-oh. Could be starting to get the trap long situation going on here. We got a target down to 760 on the 1 minute right now. And we did miss this target to 960 earlier. Buyers are still holding it down. Got kicked off of TikTok again. TikTok's amazing. Getting major chop in his zone right here. Sellers are getting way stronger. What a dump. Look at that move. Watch him move down here to this white line. Markets are moving right now. You're going to look for a short, not financial advice? Wait for the net delta to turn positive here on the 5-minute. It will rocket back up, says Gordo. I think so, Gordo. I think so. We got the 15-minute orb there. Previous day's high. Overnight high. Guys, I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.
I'm gonna try the long here for 20 points. All right, I got 2. I'll take off 2 if we hit 891. And I'll take off 1 at 960. $920's coming says 920's coming says I got no sound. I'm muted. Am I? I'm not muted. Hello, anybody? Can you guys hear me? Oh, okay. All right, let's see if we can get this push here. Let's see if we get this push. Thank you. Just a little bit more. No more edgy Edgertons here. Let's go. Thank you. Stop and knock it off. Can you get any closer to my TP without literally touching it? I don't think it's possible. I really don't think it's possible to get any closer. I really don't. I really don't. I have a hard time believing that she can. She cannot get any closer without touching my damn TP. Are you kidding me right now? Come on with your edgy Edgertons. Let's go. Come on, NQ. Knock it off, NQ. You gotta be playing with me right now. NQ, go. Stop. Just go, NQ. Yo, you gotta be kidding me. There's no way, NQ. There's no way you get that close. All right.
Order filled.
All right, screw you, NQ. Screw you. I'll wait for you to stop. I'll wait for you to take my stop here. What would have been my stop. I'll wait for that, and then I'll get back in. There's no way. There's no way. Bro, you guys see that? You guys see that? I'm not playing with her anymore.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4,
Good for
5, and
nothing.
6 trades.
Scallywag.
Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.
Oh, look. She would have hit my TP. And never hit my break even. So that's shame on me. Yeah, and talking about your perfect entries, and then she's just playing games with me now. She is evil, evil, evil. The NQ, you're just evil. This is what we had anyway. 960. Stop loss. I don't know how it disappeared. $100-point upside here? Yeah. Yeah, I think she can go 100 points. I don't know what was my dumb idea to move to break even. That's something I gotta get out of the habit of doing. Seemed safe enough. I mean, we were less than a tick away from getting our TP, so it seemed like the right thing to do. I didn't want to be a tick away and then end up losing on the trade. That would have been the worst, literally the worst. So I guess it was the right thing, but I don't know. Next time I won't do that. Seemed like a pretty good idea at the moment. Why is it more rare to come by a MOAS on a 5-minute safe? Because it's harder on the higher time frame you go on. That's why I make such a big deal about when we see like a power short, a power long, a MOAS on the weekly, because the higher the time frame, the more difficult it is to come across an absorption, a delta absorption. So you won't see it too often on a 5-minute. When you do see them, that's why you see me map them out on my chart. I'll map out a 5 and a 30-minute MOAS target because they're more rare and they're more special. They hold more weight. You missed your entry for a short at 900. Will it pop? I think it will pop. A dick for a tick. Yeah, she was a dick for a tick. The worst thing is she did come to hit my target after looking like she was going to come get my break even. Yeah, shorts might actually be cooking here. This green wave is starting to turn into it's starting to pinch off pretty hard. So we might see this thing actually roll over and fold. Guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting the likes here on YouTube, it would mean a lot. Barely have any views today. I'm not seeing any strength from the bulls, guys. On the higher time frames, my higher time frames look like sellers are in control. Yeah, both the 30-minute and the 5-minute are telling me that sellers are pretty strong. It doesn't mean that it can't turn around, but sellers are accumulating strength. Yeah, looks like they're coming back into this thing. I bet the video recording the Apex Ash sole reason was to steal a strategy and see what is making them work. $2,200 per account on 20 accounts. Damn, safe. I don't think so, safe. I mean, I'm live on YouTube every day. They could see me here. Bullish for full port, guys. Bullish news, full port. This looked like it got a really strong surge of delta here out of nowhere. So this area here could get protected if we end up maintaining this level. We're gonna shoot higher, but if we get back under it, then it's a wrap. I think it's gonna run. We'll get more at 12 o'clock, trying my best, but doing my best not to be emotional, so Sambi. Calling it a day, Sambi? Nice, man. Yeah, they're playing a lot. They're playing around a lot in this zone here. And I feel like they are still trying to trap these longs. If they do successfully close this 5-minute candle in the next 3 minutes red, and then they want to bring it down to VWAP. Stop loss is 28,823 on this trade. Yeah, but don't worry about this trade. This trade is a paper trade. I already got out of my real trade. I do think the market wants to head back up to 963, but we could come down and see that VWAP first. Yeah, it looks like the SQQQ wants to come back up and push to the VWAP. NQ might want to drop down to VWAP, but she still hasn't given up. I'm seeing some strong signals on the 15-second. Right now, things are not looking good for buyers. Narrative has changed. 5 minutes looking real dumpy. So is the 30-minute. This thing could flush, guys. This thing could flush here. Yeah, they're looking to flush this thing. We're about to close a trapped long signal on the 5 minute in the next 40 seconds. And it's not looking good for them. Buyers need a miracle here to hold price. I don't think they're going to get it. Looks like we're really pushing for 820. 810 is what the market just called for here. Five minute looks super dumpy right now. It's 1150. Yeah, it goes. There it goes. I would long again once we get down to these areas here in the 770s, 780s. But it looks like they want to come down pretty hard here. Watch the shorts. Wow. Probably end up getting Moaz power short here. Yikes. Yep, there it goes. Another confirmation for 760 to the downside. Another confirmation for this level here at 768. Maybe we'll not see a bounce until we get down here. And now we've got a red trend on the 1 minute. That would have been a nice short if I would have taken that to close it at 5 minute. They closed your account, Patrick, and you were up 20K? What's that about? That's crazy. I added trap shorts and trap longs to the indicator, but I haven't updated it for you guys yet. I'm forward testing it today and it looks great. Here's the trap long indicator right here. Right there. Trap shorts right there. Trap shorts, trap longs. So if you just long and short those signals, you should do pretty well. All right, we tapped the VWAP on the SQQQ. We got the VWAP on oil for a third time. Yeah, this thing might continue to flush. It looks really weak. Looks like they may want to bounce here. I'm not going to fall for it just yet. I think there could be a little bit more of a pullback. You're long already, Con? I think they may have a little bit more to the downside, but they never, you can never really know. Because it may might pop first. After taking out this white line, then I'd be interested in the long. Nasty here, nasty pullback. I think I'm going to wait for this white line here. That white line area looks like a good place to try a long. We'll wait for our signal once we get there. If we don't get our signal at the white line, then I'll wait for the signal down here in the green little take profit areas at 760s. Yeah, that could give us a bounce. Slam, slam, slam. We're right on VWAP. Let's see if we can get this white line. Then maybe 760. And then I'll look for a long after that. This is getting heavy, heavy, heavy. No weakness in the SQQQ and no bullishness in the NQ here. Real thick. Our red wave is real thick right now. Be careful. Yeah, the 30-minute looks really bad, so does the 5. Let's say we can't get a pop, but the sellers are in control at the moment. All right, we're hitting our targets here at these green lines soon. We'll see what kind of reaction she has after that. Bigger target could be the open of the day. Daily open. Maybe 700 area. Wow, she's wilding right now. Holy smokes. Yeah, no longs yet, guys. No longs yet. You know, just blindly long. She came down quicker than she went up. I'm gonna try a quick 20-point scalp to the upside here. It might be too soon as well, so I might get cooked here. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get cooked. Longs are not ready yet. Still too early for it. Still too early. All right, we're out. We're out. Yeah, longs have no strength. Should have waited for the 1 minute. Saw something real nice on the 15-second, but it wasn't ready yet. Could be getting there though. Could be getting there. Try it
Order
again.
filled.
If this confirms, I'm gonna add another one.
Order filled.
I'm trying a quick scalp long here. If we get them, then I'm gonna probably call it. Should be some buying pressure in here, but no, there's not. No, there's not. They just want lower. Wow, this is crazy, the amount of selling here. This is crazy. The amount of selling here is wild. Not even a pop. All right, no more longs. No more longs. All right, these evals are a little bit under a little pressure right now, but I'm gonna call it there, guys. It's 12 o'clock. I'm not gonna tear these evals up on account of this market today. Just like Con was saying earlier today, it looks like when they do start dropping it, they're gonna catch everybody with their pants down, and that's what they're doing here. That's exactly what they're doing here. So yeah, they're just gonna keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing it. So before I do something I'll regret on these two evals, I'm probably gonna call it here. Evals were nice and green earlier. They were up almost 200 bucks. Got a little greedy and wanted to pass them today. This is what happens after 12 o'clock. Nothing good happens after 12 o'clock. Nothing good. Nothing good. Nothing good happens after 12. Looks like they want to come pushing more, maybe down to 700. We have an invalidation level at 708 for the current trade that we were going to see up to 960, and it hasn't hit yet. But damn, trappy. Not even 20 points. Not even 20 points. Yeah. I'm still green. I'm really green today. But these two evals are now down 200 bucks a piece. So I'm gonna end it here. I'm not gonna kill these evals. And I got some work to do. All right, guys, I will say a quick prayer. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for all the abundance in our lives. We thank you for this community and everybody in it. Lord, I pray that everyone here today, Father, has found you, Father. If not, I pray that they get closer to you every single day. Lord, I know that some days work in our favor and some don't, Lord, but every day, Father, we are grateful for all the gifts you've given us and the grace, Lord. The grace for our sins, Lord, that we commit every single day. Father, if there's anyone here who needs to be reset mentally, financially, or spiritually, Father, I'll leave that in your hands, Lord, and you know exactly what they need before they even ask it. Lord, I pray that you keep us safe until we see each other again tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. I have to go and do a couple of things and take care of some business here at home. But I will see you guys all then. Take care.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below. Get instant access and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.